Hey, if you're thinking about your next camping knife that you can use outdoors in survival situations, this is by Dragon Creek. I want to tell you in this review only the details that are actually going to help you make a decision if this is going to be right for you and nothing else. So let's first start out with the sheath. This is made out of Kydex. Kydex is a form of PVC. It is highly durable, impact resistant, and this knife goes down in here and it locks in and doesn't come out. The sheath itself has all of these holes in it. You can actually hang this up in this position if you would like. Let's take a closer look at the sheath. So this is where the belt goes. This is your belt guide. These pieces right here are removable. If you take your belt, set it in there, and then what we're going to do is pop this in. These guides are going to hold that belt in place so that when we lock this down, now the sheath is not going to go ahead and slide all around on the belt. That's a very important feature. If we remove these two screws right here, we'll take that one out. Let's loosen this one up. 9 holes here. We've got a bunch of holes here, and this is just going to attach wherever you want it. Another important feature is this hole right here in the knife. You see this right here? And that is if you had a long stick and you wanted to create a spear, loop your cordage material through there and then around here to create a spear. This is very important to understand. This edge is gonna hold because it's a very durable, strong edge. It's manufactured that way. The downside is once it becomes dull, it is a little hard to sharpen. This is the Tanto blade, and a Tanto blade comes up and then right here it angles off to the side. You see that? It's going through this stick like butter. Like I said, it's a very sharp blade. So let's create a tip on it. There you have it. And that would be like a great tip for fishing, for hunting, for walking. Another feature that you're going to love on this is the handle. You can see we've got kind of this checkered handle on here. This is a completely solid knife. The Tang is one piece going all the way through the blade. So this is machine milled like that. So you don't have to worry about the handle breaking off because it's all one solid piece of steel. I mean, for this price point, I don't think you can complain. It's got everything that you need. This is a fantastic survival camping knife. I think you're getting a lot of bang for the buck here. Great job on this one. Definitely pick it up and check it out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.